Welcome to Flying Smoke. Today, it's going to be a good video. I hope. I hope it's going to be. Just watch. It's a video that I've been waiting to shoot until I can get my hands on these briquettes. They're new. They're available throughout the South. There are, I'll put a picture up. The XL B&B Lump Championship Blend. Pretty cool. This is a wood. It's an Argentinian wood. It's called, I'm going to mispronounce it, so don't shoot me. My Spanish is horrible. White quebracho. And if I read the information on the site, it's basically, quebracho is Spanish for axe breaker. This is a really hard wood, and I've used it before with another product. You can see, I have the video, I'll put the link up here. I did a video that has a quebracho charcoal, and it's a company called Jealous Devil. It was good. Well, let's just see if there's any differences, and let's see what this product is like. I really like using lump charcoal at home because it is a lot easier to clean up. There's very little ash. You can reuse it. According to the B&B's website, you can use this stuff 3 times. I've actually gotten 4, but it's with, low and slow, and you choke it off and you just relight it. It's great. And again, it's really easy to clean up. Very little ash. So let's see how it performs, and let's get started. As promised, Texas size XL all natural hardwood premium lump charcoal from B&B. It's new, and I've been dying to try it out, but we haven't had the weather. So I purposely did not cut this bag open because I wanted to get my reaction so you could see it. I have not seen these yet. The bag is well constructed, pretty tough. Okay. Moment of truth. Oh, they big. Okay. Let's get in there. Excuse the noise. Oh my. Well, these are a natural product, so you're going to get big lumps and little lumps. I've got a couple big ones. Most of them are medium size. There's another big one. All right, now I normally try to get these down to where it's all inside. There we go. Put one there, one there. That's the top. Give it a little shake or two. That one I can't break. So, that's as close as you get. They're gonna stick over just a little bit. Actually, not bad. I mean, I've had some stuff before that's pretty dirty. Let me get rid of the flammables. We're back. All right, standard competition light off. Got 2 paraffin starter cubes underneath there by Weber, and 2 chimneys that are full. Like I said, this piece normally I would be able to slam it in there, but I don't want to bust my hand open, so it would fit. It's just big. So here we go with the timer, and we're going to hit start, and it's at 0. Here we go. If these are like every other, I gotta burn for a few seconds. If these are like every other lump charcoal, 15-20 minutes at the most. Light 1 cube, light 2 cubes. Let's give it a second to burn. All right, and they're burning. We're at 1 minute and 33 seconds, and there's already flame coming off here. So again, just for those of you who, this might be your first time, lump charcoal burns hotter, and there's less ash, so you have less stuff to clean up.
But it is a natural product. That's why I don't use it in contests, because I need to know that there's a smooth, even heat over this. But at home, I use lump all the time. It's a wonderful product. And I hate cleaning up charcoal ash. Okay, so we're gonna let this stuff burn for a little while, and we're gonna see what it's like in a few minutes, and we'll be back. Oh, yeah, I know. What's it smell like? Has a kind of just a standard charcoal smell, and the smoke that's coming off of it is slim to none. I mean, I've seen some charcoals that just billow smoke. I mean, whenever I use rhymes with Mingsford, I choke my neighbors out. I'm sure they're just like, dude, enough with the charcoal. But it's for you guys. None of you are my neighbors that I know of. Let's let it do its thing for a few minutes, and we'll be back. Bring it up there so you can see it. Bam! 15 minutes. What have we learned? This stuff is hot. It is burning really clean. There's just about that much drop, maybe an inch. Over here, not so much. But this stuff is going to be ready. This one's probably, I could push it and say it was ready in 15 minutes. But its stuff is burning hot. I mean, really, really hot. I mean, it's nice out here, but I can feel the heat coming off it. Whoo, baby. Folks, 17 minutes. I think that might be a record. I'm dumping them. Here we go. Set this over here. Yeah, good burn. It's a red hot burn. That is a big piece right there. Let's give it a little scoots of boots. Okay. And because I'm a nice guy, I'll bring you guys in to show you what it looks like when I first dump it. Hey, ready? Here we go. That's what it looks like. Nice full chimney. 2 chimneys. Okay, let's get the grates on. Glove up. And I don't want to hear any comments about my hair. I haven't had a haircut in like a month, almost 2 months. It's ridiculous. Coronavirus craziness. All right. Down in there good. Perfect. I will put some grill spray on. Everybody knows why. So we don't have any stick. And in reality, it's so I can watch the temperatures. This is Pam grilling spray. It's got a temperature of, well, smoke point of about 600 plus degrees. So I know that grill's getting ready to go. And I put it on thick. All right. That was 19 minutes in right now. Start, or stop, then start. Basically, we're just gonna let it get hot. And then I'll close the lid before, I'm cooking steaks tonight. It's another video, but 402 over here, 30 seconds in. 360 over here. So we'll just let it roll. We'll come back in a few minutes. Smoke's rolling. 6 minutes. Let's see what we got. I'm going to say 600. I got to walk that up. I hope that comes out. 712. Holy crap, that stuff's hot. That's in 6 minutes. On this side, 605. So there must be some pieces that are a little farther along than those. This side was a little bit lower, and it got a little bit more heat going to it. But man, that's insane. There's one spot that's really, it's a hot spot. If I go around the grill, 625, 602, 602, 600, 620, 635, center of the grill, dead center. I gotta walk this up. 660 degrees. Jesus. And then there's the hot spot, 717, and the center over here, 600 degrees. So there's a hot spot right there. But man, 7 minutes in, and in another minute or two, all the oil will be gone off this grill. And yeah, I will close it up and let it get hot. Oh my goodness. The other thing I'm noticing is the only thing I'm smelling is the oil. I'm not smelling any of the charcoal right now, which means it's clean burning. Man. Yeah, normally the smoke started rolling. It was like 5 minutes in and I was like, yeah, I better go check it. And I checked it and I was like, oh man, start the camera, let's go. God almighty, this thing got hot fast. 615, the hot spot. Hot spot still 715. Dead center of the grill, 662. This is ready to cook on. It's ready to do work. Normally, I let this stuff go 10-15 minutes, close the lid up. Because I also want to heat up my lid, because it makes it like an oven. You get the hot from there, they get the hot from coals. It's just great. And the grill grates make it so that you don't have to worry about sear marks. You don't have to worry. You want sear marks. You don't have to worry about flare-ups. I'll put a link to grill grates on. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. Just go down and look at the link. Check out their page. It'll change your. I mean, I don't care. Gas grill, charcoal grill, whatever. They've got it for you, and they can custom make them from Georgia. Made in America. 684 in the center. That's 10 minutes. Center of the grill. 660. Wow. All right. We'll let this get hot. We'll come back in about an hour, see what the coals are burning like, see how hot it still is, and then I'm going to cook on it. Because yeah, it's hot and fast, but I want to see how long it lasts too. We'll be back. 73 minutes. A little over an hour. Got busy making dinner. So we're getting ready to do the steak. So it's been over an hour now since I dropped these coals. So, and it's really hot. So let's see how we're doing. Ooh. All right, center of the grill. 620 degrees. The hot spot has calmed down to 630, but it's pretty much 600 degrees all the way around. Awesome. These coals have been going for over an hour, and I am going to cook steak on them. And I know I always say this is how hot the grill is, but whatever. So I'll put a little bit. It's going to instantly start to smoke because it's over 600 degrees. Just want a good release on this steak. Okay. And just to show you there's no fakery going on here. One of our favorite cuts is a flat iron. And here we go. So that's going to wrap it up. I'm going to cook the steak on it. I'll come back in a little while, and when it's dark out, we'll see after a little while what the ash is like. And I need to use this now, so I'm going to have to stop the video. I'll see you in post. It's a wrap. Steak turned out great. The XL Premium, awesome. Just, yeah, get a bag. If you go to B&B's website, I'll put a link down below. It shows actually where it's available, and it's mostly the Southeast, but I'm sure it will be coming to your area soon. You may be able to order it. You can look online. Really clean burning. And as promised, and wow. I went out, I lit the charcoal off around 4:30 or so, and we put the steak on just before 6. So I went out about 2 hours later, and here's the picture. It's still burning. And I don't have a picture of it. The next day I looked at it, and there was just nothing left. It burned completely. And that's what you like to see in a lump charcoal. So 2 thumbs up from Flying Smoke, and I'm sure it'll be that way for you. Got another video coming out. I've actually already shot it, and I just got to get it edited. Any of you YouTubers out there know that shooting the videos is actually kind of fun. Ideas for the videos, really fun. Editing the videos, everything has its price. Editing is mine. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. It helps us put out videos. Lets us know, hey, I like this. Hey, I didn't like this. I've got a lot of great ideas from my subscribers. You guys are like family and gals. That's it. We're going to get through COVID-19. We're going to get through the coronavirus, whatever you want to call it. We're going to get back to normal. This planet has gone through horrible things before, and we have, as a species and as people, survived. We'll do the same. We'll see ya.